Good day, guys. It's your one and only Beastleg72, as you all know me, your mentor. So, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe, and also hit that notification bell for you to be notified whenever I'll be dropping the next one. So, today I'll be analyzing gold and Usdjpy. So, you can already see that I'm on my dollar index. You understand? So you can see we were on a downtrend and the market broke this high there where I marked it with this red line, and then we started going to the top side. You understand? So what you are seeing here is the market that broke this resistance. Now the market has to come, retest, and then push to the top side, meaning on this dollar index we are looking for more buying opportunities than selling opportunities. What you need to be aware of is that on gold we have to look for selling opportunities, then on Usdjpy we have to also look for buying opportunities. You understand? So I've been receiving messages lately, guys, most people telling me that they have been blowing. So I will just have to share the way I approach this. You understand? So one of the things that I always do, as you all know, I always start on my weekly chart. So on my weekly chart, I always identify my highest point and my lowest point. You understand? And then I start using my special tool, which I usually use to find my zones. So I have my highest point there, guys. You understand? I can see the market went to the top side and then came down. So now the question is, where is the market going to? Is the market going to the downside, or there is a resistance? No, not resistance. There is a support whereby the market will be turning at. You understand? We have to find out. That's your job as a trader. You understand? So I have my lowest point here, guys. You understand? I have my lowest point here, but then here it's so far for me, so I have to find another lowest point there. I have to also find another lowest point there. You understand? So this is my closest one. You understand? So I'll just have to delete these ones for now. You understand? So I have my highest, I have my lowest point. You understand? So you can see the market did respect this as a support, and the market went to the top side. Understand? So now I'll just have to use my zone. I'll just have to use my tool to find my zones. You understand? So today I won't cut anything, guys, because I can see. I'll just have to identify these zones easily today. You understand? I won't take much time. So this is how I identify my zones, guys. I also shared the way on how I do it. You understand? There is a video, I think the first two videos I did reveal how I usually do this. You understand? By now you should know that. If you didn't watch the previous two videos, please go back and watch them. You understand? So you can all understand how I identify these zones. So let me just do that. We have to see where the market is currently going at. You understand? We have to see. So you can see that the market really respects these zones, guys. You can see the market really respects these zones. And then let me just identify this last one. Understand? Let me just identify this last one. So yeah, so we can see, guys, we have a support here. We can see we have a support, we have a resistance. You understand? So for now, let me just also mark this one. Let me also just mark this one. Let me also just mark this one. Okay, so you can see we have a resistance. We have a resistance there, and we can see the market did respect this as a support and went to the top side. You understand? And also let me just clone this and also mark my current support. You understand? So I have my resistance, I have my support. So now I'll just move to my daily chart. On my daily chart, I can see the market did approach. Understand? The market did approach, so I'll just connect my line from there to there. Understand? So I can see we had a break of a trend here. Understand? I can see we had a break of a trend line. Understand? So you can see we had a break of a trend line. Let me just also stretch this trend line to the top side there. Okay, so we can see we had a what? We had a breakout and a retest. Do you understand? This black candle acts as a retest, and then we can see the market pushing to the downside. So now we just have to wait for the market to also push to this point there. You understand? This is where our target will be. So let me just also move to my 4-hour chart. Okay, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So let me just do this. Let me just do now. Let me just fix. Let me just also do this. Understand? I have to see something. Understand? Okay. And then let me just also focus on this current market. What you always need to do, guys, you have to always focus on your current market from the high there to this low. So you can see the market is currently respecting the golden zone. As I always say, guys, the golden zone, you have to use it on your 4-hour each and every time. So you can see the market is currently respecting the golden zone. Understand? So you just simply have to take your selling opportunities. You understand? Take your selling opportunities to this zone here. You understand? To this support there. Understand? Just put your stop loss below here. Understand? Then allow the market to push to the downside. Understand? So let me just also mark this here. Understand? We had a support there, so I'll just for now keep the take profit here. Understand? So I can be on a safe side, but then let me just delete this and move to my 1 hour and see if there's anything else that I can find to be more motivated to take those. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. So guys, you can see that the market really did come to our golden zone. This is where your entry was supposed to be a sniper entry, guys. A sniper entry. This is where your entry was supposed to be. Understand? Unfortunately, I didn't see this, guys. Understand? I'm just seeing it now with you. Understand? So what do we need to do now? We simply have to take this high there, that low there. Is it gonna work out? No, I don't think it's gonna work out. Let me just delete it. But then if you saw this earlier, you are gonna take your buying opportunities there. Sniper entry, no stop loss hit, no nothing. Understand? No stop loss hit, no nothing. Understand? Let me just move to my smaller time frame to see if I could find any possible entry point. So let me just move to my 15-minute to see if I could find anything on my 15-minute. On my 15-minute, I can't find any low, but I do have a high. I already have a high there, but now I can't see any low. Understand? I can't find any low because the market hasn't created any low here. Understand? So let me just see if I could move to the smaller chart. Let me just move to my 5-minute and see if I could find anything. Let's see if I could find anything. But guys, look at this sniper entry, and it also acts as your what? As your double bot, as your double top. You understand? One of your confluences for you to be more encouraged to take those selling opportunities to the downside. You understand? So let's see. Let's see this high there. Also the low there. So yeah, let us move to the bigger time frame. So we have to move to 45. Let's move to 45 minutes. Understand? So we simply have to wait for the market. We simply have to wait for the market to come there and then push to the downside. You understand? Because this first entry left us. So yeah. Hey guys, what happened now? Let me just do this. Okay. So we simply have to wait for something like this, you understand? And then we take those selling opportunities. So on the 15-minute chart, you have to wait for the retracement and then take those selling opportunities to the downside. Let me just delete this. So for now, let's aim this support here. Understand? Let's aim this support, wait for the market to come there, then aim for this support there. This is what you should be aiming for, and then put your stop loss there. And then let me just also delete this. So this is your take profit for now. But when the market breaks this support, let's put it there. When the market breaks there, when the market breaks or closes above there, you also have to put it there, the final take profit. You understand? So for now, let's aim here. Understand? For now, let's aim here. Let's wait for the market to come there and retest and then push to the downside. You understand? So now we are going to the we are moving to Usdjpy, not USD cat. This one, sorry. Let's just do this. Usdjpy, correct. So on USDJPY, what am I looking for? You can see we are on our bullish trend, bullish momentum, as I said earlier on the video. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for this highest point there. I am also looking for this lowest point there. Understand? So what else now? I'll just have to simply mark my zones. I'll simply have to mark my zones, guys. Understand? I'll just keep things simple and easy and fast. Understand? Guys, let's not forget to share the channel. Understand? And don't forget to subscribe. Understand? And the most important thing, guys, liking the video for YouTube to also spread the video to other people so they can watch it. You understand? So let's see something. Let's see something there. Okay. And also, guys, to those who did subscribe, like, thanks a lot. You understand? Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. You understand? So we can see that currently we did break this resistance and we turned this resistance into support. And currently, oh, sorry about that. And currently we are on this resistance. You understand? We are on this resistance. I did take your entry, by the way. I did take these buying opportunities. I'll just put the screenshot above on the video so you can see it. You understand? So now before I go there, so guys, you can see we were introduced on a bearish trend. You can see this same thing that we are seeing here. It's the same thing we saw on USD index. You understand? We were introduced on a bearish, and then now we are introduced on a bullish. You understand? Same thing that we saw on USD index, guys. You understand? So let's just do that. They're connected. Understand? And also let us do something like this. Understand? Do something like this. Hey, it's crazy how I do things, guys. It's crazy how I do things. It's crazy, like, it's crazy. Let me just make these things smaller, because as we go to the smaller time frames, it will be big. You understand? So we are on a 4-hour chart, guys. We are on a 4-hour chart. You can see, guys, how beautiful the chart is. As much as it's beautiful, also the profits should be beautiful, guys. You understand? We are trading to make money. We are trading to make money, guys. We are not trading to lose, even though we don't control the market. You understand? So you can see, guys, let me just also fix this rectangle there. Okay, so you can see how beautiful things are. You understand? Things are on our side. So one thing you need to be aware of, guys, one thing you need to be aware, we have two trend lines, as you can all see. You understand? Let me just fix this. We have two trend lines here. We have this first, okay, let me just do it so you can all see. We have our first touch there, we have our second touch there, and then we have our third touch there. Understand? So if the market decides, guys, if the market decides to touch, you can see currently it's on this this resistance. If the market decides to break, at some point it will, there is let me just do this. At some point there is a resistance there, guys. There is a resistance. Obviously the market at some point it will come, retest, and then push. You understand? And once it breaks this trend line, just know we are coming to the downside. You understand? Don't hesitate to take those selling opportunities. Understand? So currently you can see we are on this resistance there. You understand? So I see something also here. I see a trend. I see a trend there. I see a trend there. Also I see another trend there that was broken. Understand? And then guess what? The 90% rule was the 90% rule was there. You understand? So let's see something. Can I see something? Me using this there to this low there, this low. You can see the market did really come and retest on my golden zone. You understand? So my buying opportunities were there. As I said, I'll post the screenshot below. So this was my take profit. You understand? So currently we just have to monitor this zone, guys. Currently we just have to monitor the zone. You understand? Currently we just have to monitor the zone. Once the market breaks, then we know we are going to the top side. You understand? But then currently we have to monitor the zone. So let us go to our 30-minute chart and see something. We are looking for something here. Okay, currently there is no entry point. There is no entry point. I won't lie, there is no entry point. We have to monitor this. Let me just delete it. We have to monitor this, guys. Understand? We have to monitor this. Let me just delete it. We have to monitor this resistance, guys. After we have monitored this resistance, then we can see where we are going to. Understand? Let me just also delete this and just do that. Do something like this. You understand? Exactly. So yeah, so we just have to monitor, guys. You understand? And then we'll see what's gonna happen, because we don't have a low whereby we can target it. You understand? Currently don't have a low, so let me just move to my 5-minute. We don't have a low that we can look for, understand, in order to know that we might break the low and come to the downside. So yeah, guys, currently we have to monitor the zone and see. You understand? So it's your one and only Xauusd, as you all know me, your mentor. But then I see also something, guys, here. I see something there. I see something there, guys. I see something there. Understand? So again we have our first, second, third touch. You understand? And the market went to the top side. Understand? So we just have to also connect something. We just have to connect the market from there to there. Understand? So we just have to connect the market from there to there. So if the market breaks, if the market decides to come and break, we have to look for those selling opportunities. Same thing, guys, the same thing. You just have to know your concept. You understand? So as you all know, guys, it's your one and only Xauusd. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell for you to be notified when I'll be dropping the next one. And also let's share the channel and grow the channel together. And don't also forget to comment below on your thoughts about this video. Like the video for more. Thank you, guys. One love. Peace.